Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that has been gaining a lot of attention in recent years. The ketogenic diet, also known as the keto diet, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has gained popularity in recent years. The goal of the keto diet is to put the body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. In this video, we will explore the science behind the ketogenic diet, its potential health benefits, and some tips for getting started. The keto diet is based on the principle that when the body is deprived of carbohydrates, it will start to burn fat for fuel instead. By limiting carbohydrate intake and increasing fat intake, the body enters a state of ketosis, where it produces molecules called ketones. These ketones can be used as an alternative fuel source for the body and brain. One of the primary benefits of the keto diet is weight loss. When the body is in a state of ketosis, it is able to burn fat more efficiently, leading to faster weight loss. The keto diet has also been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, making it a potential treatment option for people with type 2 diabetes. In addition to weight loss and improved blood sugar control, the keto diet has been associated with a number of other health benefits. These include improved heart health, reduced inflammation, and improved cognitive function. However, the keto diet is not without its potential drawbacks. For example, the diet can be difficult to follow and may require significant changes to a person's eating habits. It can also lead to nutrient deficiencies if not properly planned and monitored. If you are interested in trying the keto diet, there are some important tips to keep in mind. First, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. They can provide guidance on whether the keto diet is appropriate for your individual needs and health status. Second, it is important to focus on healthy, whole food sources of fat and protein, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. Avoid processed foods and aim to get plenty of fiber from low-carbohydrate vegetables. Finally, it is important to be patient and persistent. The keto diet can take some time to adjust to, and it may take several weeks or even months to see significant results. However, with dedication and consistency, the keto diet can be a powerful tool for improving overall health and well-being. In conclusion, the ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has gained popularity for its potential health benefits, including weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and improved heart health. While the diet can be challenging to follow, with the right approach and guidance, it can be an effective tool for improving overall health and well-being.